Once upon a time, in a quiet little town named Tulipville, lived a curious boy named Timmy. Timmy had a unique best friend, not a dog or a cat, but a talkative tarantula named Terry. One day, Timmy came home from school, excited to show Terry his new book about pythons. Terry, always eager to learn, asked, "Timmy, can you tell me about pythons? I've never heard of them before." Timmy opened his book and started to explain. "Pythons are a type of snake, Terry. They come in various sizes, from small ones like me to large ones that can grow up to 20 feet long." Terry's eyes widened with amazement. 20 feet, Timmy. That's as long as our school bus. How can they move so fast? Timmy chuckled. "Well, Terry, pythons don't run like us. They slither and move silently, which helps them catch their prey." Terry thought for a moment, then asked, "But Timmy, why do pythons have those special marks on their bodies?" Timmy explained, "Those marks, Terry, are called scales. Each scale has a unique pattern, helping pythons blend in with their surroundings." Terry's curiosity was unending. "Timmy, I want to meet a python. Can we go to the zoo tomorrow and see one?" Timmy agreed. "Of course, Terry. I can't wait to show you the python at the zoo." The next day, Timmy and Terry visited the zoo. They found the python enclosure and gazed in awe at the massive snake. Terry was thrilled to see a python up close. Timmy turned to Terry. "See, Terry, pythons are amazing creatures. They may be different from us, but that's what makes them special." Terry nodded. "Yes, Timmy. And just like us, they have their own unique abilities and qualities. They're not scary, they're fascinating." And so, Timmy and Terry learned a valuable lesson that day. They discovered that being different is not something to fear, but something to appreciate and learn from. And from that day on, they admired all creatures, big and small, for the unique qualities they each possessed.